top story yet again is over Operation Sindoor. The military operations have stopped, but the diplomatic operations are now slowly taking over. Remember, in the last few days, India has launched a diplomatic blitz in an attempt to corner Pakistan on the global stage, with several MPs' delegations being sent across the world in an attempt to acknowledge Pakistan's role in promoting terrorism. Prime Minister Modi, on the other hand, is focusing on the domestic audience, making several statements across the country, making it clear Pakistan must give up on terror to have any meaningful ties with India. Multi-party delegations abroad, domestic political outreach at home. How is it all really working out? Is India going to be successful in telling the world that Pakistan is run by a rogue army that sponsors terror? That's going to be our big focus. Take a look first at how the politics and the diplomacy is playing out.
मैं इसलिए कहता हूं अब ये प्रॉक्सी वॉर नहीं कह सकते इसको, क्योंकि जो आतंकवादियों के जनाजे निकले, उस जनाजे को स्टेट ऑनर दिया गया पाकिस्तान में.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been doing some plain speaking. Over the last few days, Prime Minister has sent out some stern messages to Pakistan and, more importantly, the people of that country.
पाकिस्तान को आतंक की बीमारी से मुक्त करने के लिए पाकिस्तान के अवाम को आगे आना होगा, पाकिस्तान के नौजवानों को आगे आना होगा. सुख चैन की जिंदगी जियो, रोटी खाओ, वरना मेरी गोली तो है ही.
In the days after Operation Sindoor, when the world seemed to focus on the brief India-Pakistan conflict, New Delhi is putting the spotlight back on the issue that matters to India: terrorism sponsored by Pakistan. Delegations of MPs from both ruling and opposition parties are crisscrossing the world.
Bringing Pakistan in FATF is very important because our apprehension is that this 2 billion loan which IMF is giving, that will be used by Pakistani military.
There's a very conscious effort today.
External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has given multiple interviews to European media.
I come to Berlin in the immediate aftermath of India responding to the Pahalgam terror attack. India has zero tolerance for terrorism. India will never give in to nuclear blackmail. And India will deal with Pakistan purely bilaterally.
And Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri is visiting the United States, where he will meet key American officials. Pakistan too is making its moves. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif is on a hastily planned 4-nation tour of Turkey, Iran, Azerbaijan and Tajikistan. In Tehran, he called for talks with India.
We are ready to talk for the sake of peace on water issue with a neighbor. We are ready to talk to promote trade and also counter terrorism if they are serious. But if they choose to remain aggressor, then we shall defend our territory and our country.
India's messaging is constant and consistent. There can be no talks with Pakistan till the time they breed terror. New Delhi's mission is to expose Pakistan as a terror state in front of the world, a fact widely known but less acknowledged. Bureau Report, India Today.